Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My family has been on the Invisalign journey now for a few months, and we just didn't realize how germy this whole process is, especially when you have a 13-year-old boy. Boys just don't seem to care about their dental hygiene like they should, and that's why we're so extremely thankful to have this ultrasonic dental cleaner. This retainer cleaner is not only good for retainers and dentures, but it's also good to clean your toothbrushes and your jewelry. I absolutely love the toothbrush cleaner. It is cold and flu season around my area, and it seems like we're always buying new toothbrushes. But with this dental cleaner, I can simply put them on a deep clean and they're ready to use again. We keep this in the bathroom, and my son uses it several times a week to clean his Invisalign and his retainers. I was impressed not only by the beauty of this product, but also how easy it was to use. My children can use it on their own. You simply put water to the max line, drop in whatever you need to clean. You can even add denture cleaning tablets if you wish, and in a matter of minutes, everything is clean and you're ready to go. I really appreciate how quiet this cleaner is. You can hear it and see it working, but it's so quiet that it's not going to disrupt anything in your house, even at night. It has different cleaning modes for you to choose from. You can choose a quick 5-minute clean or choose a deeper clean with just a push of the button on top. And it's so compact that you can take it on vacation with you. So overall, we are so happy to have this in our home. I think that this would make a great gift for your friends and family. And that's my point of view.